the window for me all the way, please? Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows.
What?
Open all the windows.
Why are you going to open all the windows?
I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
Oh, there's nobody else in the vehicle. You can let me know.
Okay.
I'm recording.
All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now?
No, why?
Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate the turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there, but you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo.
Listen, I'm going right now, making sure.
Do me a favor. Open up all the windows. Blah blah. Let's go.
Welcome back to the Channel UK Cop Hub. If you are new at the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching daily amazing videos to get knowledge about the law. All right, this one's about to get messy. A traffic stop spirals into a verbal brawl between two men. One behind the badge, the other behind a badge of his own. The tension? Electric. The insults? Unfiltered. And when both claim authority, it turns into a full-blown standoff of ego, law, and pure chaos. Watch closely, why? Because this stop will test where professionalism ends and abuse of power begins.
Sir, why are you making this difficult?
Tell me again why
You want me to make your life difficult? Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Really?
There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay, so, now, license, registration, proof of insurance. Can you get off your phone? Your little TikTok thing?
Listen, can you tell me why you put me on?
I just did. Are you deaf?
Matter of fact, can you call your supervisor?
Are you deaf?
Can you call your supervisor?
Oh, there's no supervisor.
There's no supervisor.
No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer on the road right now.
Oh, listen.
So,
I'll tell you what
I would be said supervisor.
I'm going to let you listen to my music.
Okay, so that's how we're going to play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Okay, let's pause right here. This is textbook escalation. The officer's tone crosses from authoritative to aggressive fast. And here's the kicker. When he refuses to call a supervisor, he's skirting a citizen's legal right to request one during a traffic stop. That's not just power tripping. That's undermining accountability. But what would you do here? Comply to de-escalate or stand your ground and demand oversight? Drop your take. This moment divides audiences every time.
Okay, put the phone down.
Listen.
Hold on. Actually, you know what? Do you have any weapons on? Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car?
Listen.
Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car? You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this difficult.
Can I step out the vehicle?
Can you just
listen?
Answer the question first.
I'll step out the
Keep
vehicle
your hands
for you.
on the wheel.
I'll step out the
Listen
vehicle
to me.
for you.
Follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Listen,
Do you
sir.
want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like
Okay,
a good boy. All right?
I'll follow your directions.
Okay.
Now, did you want me to
Do you
get out the car
have
or
any
you don't?
weapons or anything you shouldn't have in the vehicle or on your person at this moment?
No.
No.
Nope.
Okay. Do you have a firearm on you? Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do?
Are we in Florida? Even if I
Sir,
did have a license on me, you
answer
don't
my
even
question.
need
What is this back
to
and
have what
forth?
you're talking
Okay,
about.
Get out of the vehicle. Okay.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun
Hands over
right here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up there.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
626, I'm going to have a totally mail.
Listen,
No,
look
listen
at my
to me.
shirt.
Rush
Listen,
that back up.
While you searching me,
Spread your feet out.
while you searching
your feet
me,
out.
sir,
Put your feet out.
while you searching me,
Where's the
could
gun?
you please,
Where's the gun?
On my
Where's the
right, right hand.
Okay.
On my right hand.
For my safety and your safety, we're going to do this today, okay?
Hey, make sure when you do that, while you searching me,
You got big muscles, huh?
my gun is right on my chest.
Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. Are you a gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs?
It's me?
Oh,
No.
okay.
Okay,
Don't
I'm
move.
sitting in the parking lot.
Don't move. You have a license to carry this?
We're in Florida, right?
But, do you have a shot?
I sure enough do.
Okay.
You know what?
It's called the... Hey, buddy.
It's around my neck.
It's called the concealed carry permit.
Listen, my license is around my neck.
Oh.
I carry it around my neck.
Okay. Well, first, let's see what else you got. See, you're lying a bit. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking scared. Oh, shit.
This is what we're doing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Listen, can you make sure you get my
What is this?
can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry is on my chest.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Oh, right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Do me a favor.
Federal agent.
Okay.
So now my badge don't even make a
Lean
difference.
against the car. Lean against the car. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me?
It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over.
You been drinking today?
Drinking, sir. We don't drink.
I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Actually, we're doing an investigation on.
Okay.
And just what? You just happened to pass.
216. Status of that back up.
You just happened to pass.
Okay.
So when your sergeant gets here and he realizes what's going on right now.
What's going on is that I stopped. I stopped.
The badge don't make
Why
a
are you
difference.
yelling? Where's the? Okay. So I found your ID.
Because here I have a cop who's doing some things that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police officer.
Shouting?
Tell me why another police officer in handcuffs.
You didn't identify
Over a
yourself.
swerve?
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's no
the
sergeant.
things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right. Let me get these off of you, buddy. I don't know why you're being like this. I don't know why you're being like this.
I don't know
I mean,
what y'all got going on here.
What y'all got going on?
I'll tell you what.
You know, you could
We as
just.
agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't
professional
like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like
The
federal cops either.
agents don't like city cops.
We're alphabet
we don't
cops.
consider ourselves cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher? Come on. Listen,
I
you could
will
have
put
just.
the pencil
I pulled
on
you
you.
over. You could have just identified yourself as a police officer, and this would have been done.
Do it so we
I
don't
would
need
have
to pull me
said.
over.
I would have said. Of course there was.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time.
Okay.
Do they not?
When I see a
They don't-
sergeant,
they don't
I'll make
teach
sure.
you?
When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far. Okay.
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that.
Oh, okay.
We'll make sure we talk to them. We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. I'm pretty sure you probably have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day, and I continue to have a mine.
Listen.
I appreciate you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, I appreciate you.
You have a good day,
Thank you much.
Captain. So you can cancel that back up.
This traffic stop was pure chaos, but it's also a legal goldmine. Both men were armed, both claimed authority, and both let ego override de-escalation. In Florida, officers can verify credentials without resorting to handcuffs or public humiliation. Missteps like this trigger internal investigations under state statute, Pribra 112-532, the Law Enforcement Officer's Bill of Rights. So what's your verdict? Justified tension or total misconduct? If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam breakdowns.